All right, Hefty here, 492W. Going to do a rubric review of Project 5, which is your business research and analysis report. Again, 80 points, 16% of your total grade, same standards, due at 8 a.m. on the due date, late submissions, 10% off each day. Let's go through it. Here's your intro. It's basically you're going to pick a minimum of three different businesses to do research on. You want to go ahead and list those 5 points on each of them. I would do those individually, so I would take business 1 and go through points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, answering that, then business 2, business 3, business 4, and so forth. Real simple, just give a detailed overview of the selections. Again, you note here, do not use Penn State University organizations. The review section then is 45 points. This is kind of the core. What we're going to do here is you're going to take each of these terms, and first you're going to give a definition of them in your own words. The way I want to demonstrate we understand these, because this is what you're going to have to address in your final business plan, each of these areas. Second, then you need to cite a reference to support that with credible sources. Okay, and then third, what you're going to do is take each of those 15 areas, and you can use any of the businesses you've researched, but you want to give an assessment of what you observed, or again, as it says, if you weren't able to pick up anything from it, you note that based on the information I researched, I can assume this is what they would do for point number 3, team management or internal training. So you cannot just say not observed. You've got to make some type of assumption and state that at the beginning. So again, give some type of assessment of your research for each of those 15 terms. There's your T, your R, and then that basically the assessment becomes your I. All right, the last part of this project then is to take the benchmarking research you did of the businesses in those 15 terms and then list what you could apply from the research to the design of your business. Give a specific illustration of how you're going to do it, and then you can cite that back to the business you either learned something to do or still learned something not to do with the business. Do that for each of the 15 terms, 1 point each. As always then, mechanics is the same. Proper documentation, citations, headers, subheadings, list of references. Again, need a minimum of 8, but that's going to be easy with using different references for the terms, and then also the businesses that you're researching. Total 80 points. Great, thanks.